I wanted to share with you a third way to do the factoring and foiling matching activity, and we're going to focus on number 11. So what you can do is you can actually type in number 11 on your Desmos, okay, like I've done here, and you're going to see that that is going to be a parabola. I'll zoom in here so you can see it. That's going to be a parabola, and if you'll notice, the first term starts with a 12. So you can also use kind of a combination of FOIL and typing in your answer choices. So we're going to go find answer choices in here where the first ones would multiply together to give us 12. That's not going to multiply together to give us 12. This one is 4 times 2 is 8, but then we also have this 2 up front, so that's going to be a 16. So we can kind of go through and look at these first ones until we find one that's going to multiply together to give us a 12. 1 times 1 is 1, and then times that 3 is going to be a 3. This one's also a 3. Here's a 12. So what we can do is we can go through and we can kind of look at those first terms and we can type them in. Here's another one. Let's see, right here that's going to be a 12 and a 12. So we only have 3 that we can type in to be a 12, and then once you type them in, you can just kind of hide them, and I'll show you what I mean by hide them. Let's go type in these 3 on Desmos. We're typing in L, X, and Z. Alright, so choice L said 6x minus 1, and then in parentheses 2x minus 1, and, oh, that's not what we wanted, minus 1. There we go. Much better. And it's not going to be L. You can see that because it doesn't line up. So what I can do is I can press this blue circle next to what I typed, and it will hide that for us. All right, and then the next ones that we said x is 1. So let's type in x, 12x minus 1, and then x plus 3. And look at there, it only looks like one parabola because it's in the same place, it's overlapping. So that means it's going to be answer X. But I want to show you one more. We said answer Z was also going to give us 12x squared. So I want to go ahead and type that one in to, again, show you why it is not the correct answer for x minus 3. And so again, that one is not the correct answer because it is not overlapping, so you can hide those. Now that you know that we're looking for ones that start with 12, what you can do is you can go match that section since you already have all of these factors typed in. And our answer for number 11 is going to be L. That was, no, I'm sorry, that was choice X. So let's go ahead and write that down. So right here we have choice X, and you're going to drag that in. And then X will be gone, and you will not use it for any other question. So you would drag